Hi everyone, Alessandro here. One of my best friends is an amazing cook in Sardinia. So she taught me this simple recipe to make tomato pasta sauce at home. Very cheap, very healthy. Just get tomatoes, 2 tomato tins, put it all together with a couple of onions, raw. Just cut them up, put them in. They'll dissolve within half an hour or so. It's all done. You liquidize it, add some basil as well, just before liquidizing, and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. You can freeze half of it. It'll last you for a whole week or longer, and just really enjoy it. I'd love to hear your comments, and much healthier than the stuff you buy in tins or in jars. And I hope you enjoy this recipe from my homeland of Sardinia, which I'm missing a lot these days. Take care, everyone. Stay well, stay safe.